Moroccan. Are we on? Hi everybody, it's David Lee of Vital Health. Another Wednesday evening on our nutrition talk and coaching. So tonight on the nutrition side, I'm just going to quickly cover strict cleansing using a juicer. So some of the folks here have started already juicing, but I'm going to show them how you can actually do a semi-juice fast. So we're going to talk about that today. And I have the handout here on it, and we're going to cover it just in a few minutes. So for some of the people here that want to do it, this is how it works. So number one, you need 3 appliances. You need a coffee grinder, right? Ron's been a client of mine on and off for like, I don't know, 6 years, Ron? 7? You can grind a seed mixture, so we're going to do a seed cereal. Did we already cover the seed cereal last time, Susan? Yeah, you guys, yeah. We're gonna cover that down the road quick. So you're going to need a coffee grinder, Breville juicer, which you folks know, and a blender. Those are the 3 things you use when you're in a juice program, and similar to a weight loss program as well in our program. All right, so in the morning, Susan, Tanya, Ron, you two, if you want to try this, you can actually do this even with the weight loss. You can do a glass of juice. So what I have you do in the morning is you have your seed cereal, and you do your veggie juice. You have your omega-3 supplements, you have your herb tea. But at mid-morning, you don't eat any food, you just have a shake. Okay, you have a pure trim shake, my vegan shake that I do. Or you can do a smoothie, but you do liquid, okay? Then an herbal teas. And lunchtime, you just do a salad, no meat, and a veggie juice. So it's more strict, okay? So what's different about this is we're cutting right out the meat almost. What replaces the meat is the protein shakes that I do, it's organic. And we also have the seed cereal that I give you, which is a protein seed cereal. So for those who don't want to do shake, that's fine. They'll do my seed cereal because it's just as filling. They'll even make pancakes with it. It tastes good. Right? So if you like sunflower seeds flat, like it comes out like a pancake, yeah, you'll like it. And that'll fill you up. But what's different about it is I don't have you eating any meat in this juice fast, okay? And it allows, like I have people dropping 25 pounds in 4 weeks doing this, right? And they're not hungry, and they still work out. So this is doable, okay? So I'm just giving it out to them. It's not for you guys yet, down the road. Okay, so then at lunchtime, you're gonna do the cereal, so your second glass of juice. 3 p.m., mid-afternoon again, Tanya, you're gonna do your 3rd glass of veggie juice with a protein shake again, or just a veggie juice if you're not hungry, okay? Now, you can have a handful of almonds, right? So you can do up to 22, that's the magic number. I don't go past 22 pieces of nuts a day on any given day. Strict weight loss, we're gonna have to keep it to 12. But 22 is kind of and you know what? It's not that bad, because I mix it up. I'll do 7, my roasted cashews in the morning on top of my cereal. Then I'll do another 6, 7 mid-afternoon on my yogurt, right? And then I still got like 10 left in the evening, right, to have as a snack. But what I do is you gotta play with your mind a little bit. What I do is psychologically, I make my snack look really big. So I put it on a plate, right? And what I do is I chop in baby carrots, put that on the plate. Then I chop up cucumber, and then I kind of intersperse my 10 cashews in there, right? So like every few bites, I'm getting a treat, right? Psychological. Then with that, I'll put in another, maybe 6 tortilla chips, and then I'll have like an ounce of my mango salsa over here, right? So I bring variety into my snack, and they're all fairly low calorie, but because I've got a lot on my plate, psychologically I feel like I'm having a lot of snack. Does that make sense? Yeah. And if you do it that way, you don't feel deprived. I guarantee it. Okay, I guarantee it. All right, so that's how this goes. Now, supper time, you're gonna do your 4th glass of juice, and you can have a salad or some steamed vegetables, and instead of eating meat, you're having nuts again, and the seed cereal as a protein substitute, or tofu. Okay. Now, people do this after the 3rd or 4th day. You can actually even go stricter. So I've gone to a point where I actually just did the seed cereal in the morning, salad in the supper, and the rest of the meals I just did juice. No shakes. I just did 1 shake and juice every mealtime, and just had a seed cereal in the morning, and maybe a little bit more in the afternoon. That's it. and I had some nuts, and I was good. Like I actually wasn't hungry. Because what you'll find is when you have 4 or 5 glasses, sometimes I do 5 glasses of juice, and I'm sure Ron can attest to this, you actually are not hungry. Because think about how much nutrients you're taking in.
You have energy.
Oh yeah, you have all this, you've got like 3-4 pounds of bags of carrots and kale and that going through you in a day, right? Beets, celery, like all the nutrients are going into you at a micronutrient level. It's liquefied, right? And you're getting fine. So you're not as hungry. And you're also cleansing the body, okay? Now, I did this one year where I was able to do this for literally a couple weeks. And by the 3rd week, I actually went cold turkey and just did juice for 7 days. Yeah. But I doubled my juice. I had 8 glasses of juice. So I made 8 glasses. So the Breville juicer that you buy, I don't know if you've heard of them, it makes exactly 4 cups, 4.5 cups in this container that comes with it. So I just do twice that. And then I would keep it in 2,000 milliliter, stainless steel bottles.
Yeah,
That's
and you have to buy the regular size Breville, not the compact one.
Yeah.
And sometimes you can find it at used places.
Yeah,
Like my
PGG.
friends found a few.
Yeah, PGG, right? Sometimes they sell it for 60
Well, juicers, someone buys it and they don't use it, and then they put it up.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So how's that sound, Susan? You can try that.
It sounds good.
Yeah, so what I would suggest is, work your way to like 2nd day, try making, so do actually 4-cup recipe, right? And try going through that in 1 day. And then make another 4-cup at the beginning of the next day or the night before you go to bed. So then when you go to work, you've already got the 4 cups made, right? That's kind of how I do it. And then I carry it around in a container like this in my bag. So I have my first glass in the morning, and then for the lunch and mid-noon at work, I have my container full of juice, right? And I'm just sipping it throughout the day. And then, you take an extra container of seed mixture, take your nuts, take a salad, and you're good. Nobody's ever told me that they felt like overly hungry after that.
So you could do seed cereal and 22 nuts in the same day.
Yeah. And if you want to back up because you're training, like on the days you work out and you come here, get those tofu cutlets I showed you, or get the firm tofu at the Loblaws, cut it up, a little bit of teriyaki sauce on it, flavor it up, right? Or you can even bake it, right? Make it taste good. A little bit of salsa on it. Mango salsa tastes great with tofu, right? Mm-hmm. And I'll put that, chop it up in with my salad. That makes it meaty, right? Yeah. A little trick I do with salads too is sometimes I'll throw in some sauerkraut, like meatier vegetables, in with my salad. Roasted eggplant, roasted bell peppers mixed in with salad makes the salad taste much better. I learned this in a recipe once. Sauerkraut, roasted bell peppers in your garden salad with hummus and tahini on top. You should try that. It tastes amazing. Because you have the succulent roasted flavor of the bell peppers and the sweetness mixed in with the sweetness of the tahini together. And oil and olive vinegar gives it a nice, I've done a little gourmet.
Sounds good.
Okay. So, you can make healthy food taste good. Like this is not about, trying to deprive you of flavor, right? Because we need flavor. Does that work?
You gotta watch because it's high fat, right?
Yeah, but this is where...
You can't just
No, macro enter, 1 heaping teaspoon. That's what I use. And that's perfect. You will not gain weight when you do that. In fact, you'll continue to lose weight. But a heaping teaspoon is quite a bit. Like when you drizzle that on a salad in a bowl, like you know what I mean? It's all about enough, right? Okay. So, you guys good? You can play with that. Okay? All right. So we're going to move on because they got to go. I want to go on to the coaching. Can we move on?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop.
Okay.